Hello students, welcome to SS Power Education. In last video, we have studied about what is algebra, signs and symbols, writing a given statement in algebraic form. Today, we will solve this exercise. यहाँ क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन algebraic फॉर्म. तो यहाँ पर बोला गया है कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट है इसे हमें algebraic फॉर्म में लिखना है. वी हैव टू राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट इनटू algebraic फॉर्म. योर क्वेश्चन इज द सम ऑफ 8 and x is equal to y. सम मीन्स व्हेन वी ऐड टू नंबर्स, दैट इज सम. हम जब दो नंबर्स को जोड़ते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, तो वो हो जाता है सम. तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 8 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू y. मतलब इसका जो सम है, इसका जो आंसर है वो इक्वल टू है y से. तो हमारा जो algebraic एक्सप्रेशन बनेगा, algebraic फॉर्म बनेगा, वो बनेगा 8 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू y. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज x डिक्रीज्ड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू y. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डिक्रीज्ड मतलब कम करना, दैट मीन्स माइनस. ओके, सो 5 minus x is equal to y. So here our statement will become 5 minus x is equal to y. The third question is the sum of 2 and x is greater than y. मतलब sum of 2 and x is greater than, मतलब ये बड़ा है. This is greater than y. इसका जो आंसर आएगा वो y से बड़ा होगा. ओके, द सम ऑफ x and y is less than 24. Here our statement will become x plus y is less than 24. Means x and y का जो सम आएगा वो 24 से छोटा होगा. It will be less than 24. Now the fifth question is 15 multiplied by m gives 3n. That means 15 multiplied by m will give you 3n. Okay, we can also write it like this. Okay, now product of 8 and y is equal to 3x. Now again product means multiplication. So 8 into y is equal to 3x. Product of 8 and y is equal to 3x. Now 30 divided by b is equal to p. 30 divided by b is equal to p. 30 upon b is equal to p. Okay, now z is decreased by 3x is equal to y. So z is decreased by 3x. That means 3x minus z is equal to y. Okay, 12 times of x is equal to 5z. 12 times of x, हम टेबल बोलते टाइम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, 2 1 3x. नाउ 30 डिवाइडेड बाय b इज इक्वल टू p. 30 divided by b is equal to p. 30 upon b is equal to p. Okay, now z is decreased by 3x is equal to y. So z is decreased by 3x. That means 3x minus z is equal to y. Okay. 12 times of x is equal to 5z. 12 times of x, हम टेबल बोलते टाइम ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, 2 ones are 2, एंड वी ऑल्सो से 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So here we can assume 12 times x is equal to 5z. 12 times x is equal to 5z. 12 times x is greater than 5z. Greater than means the product of 12 and x is greater than 5z. And the third statement is 12 times x is less than 5z. That means the product of 12 into x is less than 5 into z. 12th statement is 3z subtracted from 45 is equal to y. So 3z is subtracted from 45, which is equal to y. So 3z is subtracted from 45. That means 45 minus 3z, which is equals to y. Now 8x divided by y is equal to 2z. 8x is divided by y. That means 8x upon y, which is equal to 2z. Okay. Now 7y is subtracted from 5x, which is equal to 8z. 7y is subtracted from 5x. So 5x minus 7y is equal to 8z. Now the last question is 7y decreased by 5x gives 8z. Here subtracted word is used and here decreased word is used. Both are different words but they have same meanings. So both will have the same statements because subtracted is also minus and decreased is also minus. So both will have the same statements. Now the second question is, for each of the following algebraic expressions, write a suitable statement in words. So here they have given algebraic expressions and you have to form statements. Okay. So the first one is 3x plus 8 is equals to 15. So you can write, so here you can write 3x is added to 8 is equal to 15. Sum of 3x and 8 is equal to 15. 3x is increased by 8. Is equal to 15. These three statements, you can write any one out of these three statements. Now the second question is 7 minus y is greater than x. 7 minus y. Now how will you write 7 minus y? We can write y is subtracted from 7 is greater than x. Y is subtracted from 7 is greater than x. Okay. Now third algebraic expression is 2y minus x is less than 12. 2y minus x is less than 12. That means x is subtracted from 2y is less than 12. You can use decreased word or less than word. Fourth is phi is divided by z, which is equals to 5. So here you can write phi is divided by z is equal to 5. Okay. Now a plus 2b is greater than 18. So you can simply write sum of a and 2b is greater than 18. You can write added, sum or increased for addition. 2x minus 3y is equal to 16. That means 3y is subtracted from 2x is equal to 16. So 3y is subtracted from 2x is equal to 16. You can use decreased word also. Like 3y is decreased from 2x, which is equals to 16. Now the seventh algebraic expression is 3a minus 4b is greater than 14. 3a minus 4b. That also means 4b is subtracted from 3a, which is greater than 14. Okay. 4b is subtracted from 3a, which is greater than 14. Now 8 is b plus 7a is less than 21. b plus 7a, that means sum of b and 7a is less than 21. Sum of b and 7a is less than 21, or 7a is increased by b, which is less than 21. Okay. Both the statements you can write any one out of both the statements. Now ninth one is 16 plus 2a. ब्रैकेट में लिखा है 16 plus 2a minus x, that is greater than 25. So sum of 16 and 2a is decreased by x is greater than 25. ब्रैकेट में लिखा था 16 plus 2a, तो हमने लिखा sum of 16 and 2a is decreased by x minus x is greater than 25. Last sum is 3x plus 12 minus y is less than 3a. Sum of 3x and 12 is decreased by y is less than 3a. Okay. Don't get confused with the brackets. This is also easy. Hope you all like the video. Please comment if you have any doubt. Now next lecture will be about constants and variables. In the next video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.